Date's not here. It is the 15th of July, 2015. And wow, this is a nice one too. I showed you the one yesterday in a video. I think I did. It's right here. This one here, yesterday, showed how I aligned it over this picture here. Let me show you real quick. Nope, gotta turn that one off first. Okay, this one here. Showed you how I aligned that. And check it out, people. I've been doing this for a while, right? You may think that that looks like coincidence, but I'll tell you what, right now, that is not coincidence. This picture right here, these last few overlays I've been showing you are absolutely dead on. Dead on the money. I mean, just so on. I mean, look at this. You can even see look at this curve. Look at the line. The line's there. Right there, you see the whole thing, the whole shape is right here. You can see they line it up, they outline it for you. Look. See this come up here? I mean, it is so beautiful. I mean, then watch this. This is today. I just aligned it to that picture, the same picture, and you know, it is. Look at the roundness of this. First of all, look at the roundness. This part here is just like round, nicely. Just watch. Now I'm not saying it's absolutely perfect, but look at the curves there today. No doubt about it. The whole area up there, and you can see the rest. Come on, look. They're even trying to hide this crater right here. You can see the roundness of it though. It falls right in place. Just falls right in those lines, just beautifully all the way around. Because it's this is the hot spot. I'd say this is the most active spot created by this area of the moon right here. And the lunar south pole hits. I mean, you got all these prints right here. This is the lunar south pole print. It's Mare Oriental. It's so many things right here. Oh man, and plus Imbrium is there. You can do Imbrium too. I can see Imbrium right now. That's the side that faces us today, people. Imbrium. Its patterns on there too. Sometimes well, all the time. If the other ones are there all the time, it's there all the time too. It's just a matter of figuring out how to read these patterns. Sometimes there's two patterns in one picture of the same impact because it moves and creates some kind of hot spot. The continent's crust moves or something and creates the same shape just right next to it or something. It does that. I did this overlay with the lunar south pole earlier and it turned out really nice. And I'll show you that. That's nice. That turned out nice. You see the whole round shape right here. Look, it goes right here. It's perfect circular impact center there, and all those other little features are there because they were there yesterday, and you can still see them today. It's just maybe not as good, but you can. I can. Just gotta know how to look at it. Big screen. Gotta use full screen. Look at that. Tell me that's not that. That big old line through it I've never seen before. That's pretty cool. That's probably lunar south pole pattern there, the lines. So I did that earlier. Over here though. And I mean it looks cool. It looks like a dragon right there, right? So let's go up to the lunar south pole. I think I got it lined up alright. It's a little bit off. It's a hard one to do today, the way that it's kind of stretched out. There's that big crater there. This one here, you can see this one. See it right there? Right in place. Almost. And look at, see the line that comes across the moon right there? See that little cut that has this little slice right there? Look. Right there. And you can see the change in this area. See the change? This is like a little overlapping this one here. Look. You can see that. I can see it. Falls right in the lines even. Look at over here. The lines, it's marked out there for you. Falls in the lines. The center would be right in the center of the Tibetan Plateau, where you would expect it to be, right? It's like the highest massive fucking plateau of rock on the planet. It has to be something. So you would expect that to be right in the center of there somewhere. The main impact. And there's layers of these impacts. I've come to learn there's got to be layers of it. Like right here, this is the most active area on the Earth, I think. As far as what's going on under the ocean and all that, wow. We already know that they had the big tsunami, they had the big earthquake, all right here in recent times. So, and I mean, they got that. The one up by Alaska is no joke. That was a perfect alignment the other day, people. It was absolutely 100% dead on. This one right here, one I showed the other day, is absolutely dead on. That one too. That one too. This one. Dead on. No getting around that one. Nope. Sorry, but there's no getting around that one. This is all up here. All this is here. This is here. It's all there. No getting around it. It's a perfect fit. See this little thing comes out the side right here. That's right in place. Everything's right in place. Just showed right up. So that's a serious one right there. If you live in the Gulf, anywhere in the Gulf of Alaska, I mean around the edge of the Gulf of Alaska, it looks like you're falling in a hole there. I'd be a little concerned. I'm not trying to scare nobody. I'm just saying it's good to know what's there, right? I would want to know what was there. And you got all these islands along the coast up here. I mean, all along the coast. You see how those islands were formed? You can kind of see that. I can see that. Let's see. Oh, that's up here. Okay, so that would be up here. See that? All these little islands and seamounts. They don't even show you the whole. It's ridiculous. But anyways. That's what's going on there. That big hole. The Gulf of Alaska. That's your Pacific blob. It's more than likely keeping the salmon population from making it back to spawn or whatever. I mean, if it's that hot right there, there's got to be something heating it up at the bottom of the ocean, like with probably some toxic gases and stuff that are probably keeping fish from going anywhere in that area. And ones that do are dying. Who knows? They wouldn't tell us. I mean, that's got to be doing something to the salmon and the fish population. That has to be doing something. If it's warm in the ocean right now to those temperatures down there, it's got to be doing something down there. Something that you know what I'm saying. We know it's doing something. I'm just saying it's a hole. There's a hole there, and it's like Alaska's right on the edge. And I could see why they had that big earthquake. I thought it was like foul play, but I guess not. Not when you live on the edge of that. Okay, so anyway, there's that. That's a perfect overlay with that picture. That is not even questionable, people. I'm not even kidding. That is not even. You can't even question that. That is a perfect, absolute perfect match, and it does it with all the other pictures too. It is a perfect match. It even fits Africa. Where I have it overlaid right here. This will fit. This picture will fit Africa. This one. I mean, it fits in. You can see the lines fit Africa. Everything. See the line right here. You see this all. It's right in place. And this was called Abyssinia or something. This area that's now called Ethiopia. That's why they think they're related to Jesus Christ by blood, and that's the abyss. I hate to tell you, that's basically what they consider the abyss. And this was together. This Africa was next to this before. Maybe not right here where this is today or wherever, but it was somewhere either with this one right here or the other ones that I was just showing you. which were these ones right here. See, there's another abyss. I mean, it's not the abyss. It's growing though. It's definitely active as hell. The original abyss would probably be when Africa was over here on the Marianas Trench at one time. I think that was when it was considered the abyss. It would have been right here, right in here somewhere. Anyways, I don't want to confuse you now, but that's the way it is. I mean, I'm telling you I'm just trying to tell you that what I'm showing you with those overlays, those are absolute perfect matches. There's no way they're not. So you can check those out yourself. You can save your own weather, do whatever. I'm just trying to tell you that that's important because it's absolutely a match. And there's no getting around it. And that's a NASA image. So have a good day. Better take a closer look at things. 'Cause,